Hi guys, good morning. It's Monday and back to work na naman tayo guys. So, sobrang sakit talaga ng likod ko guys. So, hindi na ako nakapag-video during my preparation kasi nga sobrang late na talaga ako nagising kasi sobrang pagod ko din kahapon. So, anyway guys, for today's agenda, we will just have to encode all the sales and we will check also guys lahat ng mga dumating na products from Pandakan, and aside from that guys, we will have to prepare all the things or all the receipts na kailangan natin kasi nga magkakaroon kami ng loading today for deliveries papuntang Armok and Katarman. So, yan, medyo busy tayo today guys. So, anyway, dyan lang muna kayo and mag-work lang muna ako. So, yan guys, still working, and as what you have noticed, sobrang busy natin today kasi sobrang daming paperworks na kailangan tapusin. So, need talaga natin guys na mag-focus and matapos tong paperwork. So, anyway guys, after work, diretso lang din naman ako sa bahay. Wala naman masyadong ganap today. And kailangan ko lang din guys magpahinga kasi nga sobrang hassle and sobrang nakakapagod din for the past day. So, anyway guys, dyan lang muna kayo and tapusin ko lang din muna yung work ko. So, yan guys, patapos na rin ako sa work ko. And, yeah, that's all for today's video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye guys!